All right, so today we're going to tour one of the ports on a lot of the Canada and New England itineraries, and that's going to be Port St. John. So let's go check it out. And you'll see Maribilia, docked in St. John Port. Beautiful cruise terminal here, cruise terminal building. The second one, Marco Polo. All right, this is the container village. It's what you first see when you first get off the cruise ship. Lots of little local shops and containers. They have a stage back here. They have on shows, electric scooter rentals. Anyone that comes to St. John, best thing you could try right there. Make sure to try beaver tail. Little shops.
How much
happens in here, or
Port terminal. Ice cream shop. More ice cream. Ice cream's big here. Nice little picnic tables. You can sit and have your cool treat on a nice day. It's about 18 degrees today. It's about 60, 65 Fahrenheit. It should be beautiful. Dress appropriately because it gets a little bit windy down here sometimes on the port. A little foggy sometimes. Catapult Coffee, made in St. John. Try that out. Little photo op areas. Cute little flowers and containers you can get in. Cool backgrounds over there you can use. Or you can rent electric scooters. Washrooms behind there. This is a layout. Container village. There's some of the places. I'll leave some of the links in the description for the different places you can see while you're here. Big one is make sure you check out the beaver tails. These are the hop on, hop off pink bus tours you can get on. They go all through the city, all the different landmarks. Those are the trolleys you can get on and hop off around the city. This is a cool old school barber shop. They do walk-ins. It's right along Water Street here. This is Larry's Pub. It's a great little Irish bar. They have live music there, good beers, and it's Brits Pub and Eatery. It's some more beer. Look up there. Pickeroon's Pub. Really good in-house beer. Patio. has stone oven pizzas right here, which are really good. If you're into whiskey, there's a whiskey bar right here. It's called Hopscotch. So you can check that out as well. Hopscotch Whiskey Bar. One of the first pubs here is named Cask and Kettle. Give you a little picture of their menu. See it all that well. Great little pub. Good beers, good food, good people. It's a great little candy place you can go. Eat all kinds of candy. It's not open yet, so I can't get in, but any type of candy you can think of from your childhood's in there. Beautiful Victorian architecture around here. So it's a great little coffee shop here on Prince William Street called Java Moose. Moose is very Canadian. Try it out. Pub Down Under, they have some. They're open. These are the hours. Nachos and beer. These are some specials. Nice outdoor patio here. Across the street is the Gahan House. It's got some good food there, some good drinks. Alright guys, so this is King Square on the Parks in St. John. A lot of history here. Pretty beautiful. They've got activities and things you can do throughout the year. Leaving King Square, we're going to walk over towards the St. John City Market, which is one of the older buildings here in St. John. It was built in the 1900s. It survived the Great St. John Fire. There's a piece of St. John history you can look into. I'll leave a link down below about that. So, we'll see you when we get inside. There's the St. John City Market. Really seafood. It's a nice seafood place to go to. Little shops and vendors. Smokes. Caramelized sandwiches, good place to eat. Jellies and jams. You get pretty much anything in here. Loyalist guys. Snap the pictures. Lots of collectibles. All kinds of meats. Good place to get meat cuts, fresh steaks, fresh hams, anything you want, you can find here. The Moose, Canadian. Get some vegetables. Alright guys, thanks very much for watching. I'm going to leave some links in the description for different menus, for different pubs and restaurants that I mentioned in this video. I'm also going to leave some links to some tourist attractions that I think you'd be interested in, and also these stops for the Hop On Hop Off bus. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you come see the Port St. John. It's a beautiful place, and I'll see you guys in the next one.